Complete finish ba na bahay ang hanap mo? Tapos mura lang ang down payment? With tiles na yung floors ng buong bahay? At painted na rin ang walls ng buong bahay? May division na ang mga rooms? Ready na for aircon ang mga rooms? With tiles na rin ang restroom hanggang ceiling? May kasama ng toilet, sink, at shower? Tapos, may carport ka na? Ito na yon. Ito na yung bahay na hinahanap mo. Kaya huwag ka na magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Magpa-reserve ka na for only 5,000 pesos na reservation, tapos low down payment lang siya na 47,200. Limited offer lamang to. Kaya tara, house tour kita.
I'm a richer baby, and you know these high rates got me going crazy. I just work harder, you know I ain't never lazy. I love helping out these families, it feels amazing. Yeah, it feels amazing. REALTOR, real estate rock star, put in work, going hard, like 7 days a week, cause there ain't no resting, and you tied down.